Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rosie Kumari, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Home Science from Patna Women's College. Today I am going to present my e-presentation and my topic is Chemical Analysis of Composite Flour using locally available coarse grains. Food-based approaches are recognized as an essential part of an urgently needed, more comprehensive strategy for improving nutrition. Composite flour refers to the mixture of different concentrations of non-wheat flours from cereals, legumes, roots and tubers. Composite flours are recently manufactured not only to improve the desired functional properties of end product based of them, but also to improve nutritional composition. All currently dietary guidelines have cereal food as largest component of recommended daily, as they are good source of vitamins and a number of minerals, iron, zinc, magnesium and potassium. The basic objective of this research is to prepare composite flour with the incorporation of coarse grains and analyze the nutritional composition of the prepared composite flour. Materials and methods. The basic plan of work of this research is this study is entitled Chemical Analysis of Composite Flour using locally available coarse grains was conducted by using the following methodology. The different methodology based on the nature of problems and the objective. Firstly, the present investigation was carried out in the Nutritional Research Laboratory of the Department of Food Nutrition and Public Health, Ethylene College of Home Science, Swartz, Allahabad. The raw material like wheat, ragi, green gram dal, soya, groundnut were obtained from the local market of Allahabad for the development of various food products. After that, the preparation of flour like wheat, ragi, green gram, soya and groundnut flour were prepared with the help of these processing steps. After that, chemical analysis of identified composite flour. Analysis of composite flour. Results and discussion. National composition of composite flour and approximate vitamin and minerals content. The mean nutrition composition of composite flour per 100 gram. The samples of composite flour were prepared using energy and protein rich foods such as soya, ragi, moong dal and groundnuts. Nutrient composition was analyzed using standard procedure of AOSC 2007. This result shows that energy was lowest observed in T0, that is 341 kilocalorie, and highest in T3, that is 356. The highest protein value was recorded in T3, that is 22.12. The highest calcium value recorded in T3, that is 58.36. The highest amount of iron and the highest amounts of calcium were recorded high in treatment T3. It is concluded from the present study that the nutritional composition like energy, protein, fat, calcium and phosphorus were found high in the prepared composite flour. So it increases almost 2.5 times than the control. Thank you.